Alright, just doing a follow-up on the ham mast. I now have a end pole far down the other end. You can probably see in the back of the picture here. It is holding up well. Let me zoom up on the top there. So we're about 25 feet for the main mast, the end pole. Alright, so made myself an end pole out of the same materials to connect to my mast. This is on the 88-foot run of the off-center fed dipole. Basically same materials, used a fence top rail and a piece of 1 1/4 inch schedule 40. Tying it down with a little EMT clip that I had hanging around. Fastened together with sheet metal screws, and see, it's got a little bit of a bow in it just because of the tension, which is keeping the wire tight, which is fine. Didn't want this to be a permanent install, so I used my auger and then just pounded a post behind it inside the hole to keep it from flipping over. This may or may not stay where it is. And let's see if we can follow the wire down there. And you can see my insulator on the end there, and heading way down yonder to the mast near the house. I'm going to drop another one of these down behind the house. Got some other projects I have to get done first, but figured I'd just throw another little video up there. Have a good one.